So we're here at the we're on Girard Street for the first car show that they're having on the weekends, and this is a 2003 vet that I shot maybe about a year ago that has a 53 conversion kit on it, and the cars open up like a kind of like a Ferrari. And this is a really popular car right now. It's owned by Ray Hamill, and the car was actually fixed up by a company that's back in the Midwest. And this is one of many cars that's out here today. You can see the license plate 0353. You know, right on Girard Street here in La Jolla. And we shot this car in Mission Beach with Leslie probably about a year ago, and great photo shoot. Let's get a look at that front end again, so you can see the real front end of that car. It has a 53 conversion kit on it, and you'll be able to see more pictures of this car on our website at www.socalbeachmag.net.